Venezuela is a country of extremes, where the world's highest waterfall crashes from the sky, ancient tabletop mountains hide lost worlds, and the Caribbean meets untamed jungle. Often misunderstood, rarely explored, Venezuela remains one of Earth's most breathtaking secrets. At nearly 1 kilometer tall, Angel Falls is the highest uninterrupted waterfall on Earth. Named after pilot Jimmy Angel, it plunges from the edge of tepuis, a sacred mountain believed by indigenous tribes to be the home of spirits. Here, water doesn't fall, it floats. The tepuis of Venezuela are among the oldest geological formations on the planet, some over 2 billion years old. Their isolated peaks have evolved unique plants and animals found nowhere else. These stone giants inspired Conan Doyle's The Lost World and continue to fuel legends of forgotten civilizations. Canaima National Park is a realm of raw nature, vast, wild, and untouched. Rivers flow through golden savannas, and Pemon communities live in harmony with the land. This isn't tourism, it's immersion into one of the last truly wild places on Earth. Off Venezuela's northern coast lies Los Roques, a Caribbean paradise of crystal-clear lagoons and coral reefs. With over 300 islands, it's a dreamscape of silence, wind and water, untouched by mass tourism and preserved by nature itself. To the south, the Orinoco River winds through rainforest and thyme. This massive river system nourishes some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the continent. Indigenous cultures still thrive here, guided by ancestral knowledge older than recorded history. Venezuela is a wildlife sanctuary, home to jaguars, giant anteaters, and thousands of bird species. From flooded plains to dense jungle, life here exists in its purest, most powerful form. In the west, the Andes rise dramatically above the tropics. Mérida is home to the world's highest cable car, lifting travelers from city streets to icy summits. It's a place where alpine air meets Latin warmth. Despite hardship, Venezuelan culture thrives through music, dance, and resilience. Salsa rhythms, vibrant festivals, and deep-rooted pride reveal a people whose spirit remains unbroken. The Llanos, vast seasonal wetlands, transform with the rains, becoming one of South America's greatest wildlife spectacles. Here, life follows the rhythm of water and sky. Venezuela is not defined by a single story. It's a land of contrast, beauty and struggle, wilderness and humanity, silence and song. To understand it is to look beyond headlines and into the heart of the land. Venezuela reminds us that the wildest places are often the most misunderstood. And sometimes the greatest wonders remain unseen, waiting for the world to look again. Would you explore Venezuela's wild landscapes and lost worlds? Let us know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe for more cinematic journeys, and join us as we uncover the planet's most extraordinary places.